Guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here on my YouTube channel, I'm Nico Patrick and you are welcome. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below this video, and thank you so much. This is going to be a very short video on how to use green tea to get rid of black spots and get a glowy, younger, beautiful skin. So if you want to know more about how to use this green tea on your face to get rid of dark spot and get a young, glowing, beautiful skin, please keep on watching.
I could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far, and I'll be right where you are. You're a dream that I could finally see. I just want us to always.
So this is it. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply it on my face. So once you are done applying it on your face like this, you're going to wait for 10 to 20 minutes. Then you're going to go ahead and wash it off with warm water and moisturize your face with your moisturizer. Yes, that is all. Very simple. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and wash it off now, and I will be right back. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply this tea tree tonic on my face. You can use your moisturizer if you don't have this tea tree tonic. So guys, that is all, and you will definitely see a great result if you do this twice every week on your face. So thank you guys for watching this video. I really appreciate, and if you like it, give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Comment, share, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.